Hey there, welcome to Internship Search Essential, one complete guide that covers everything you need as a fresher in terms of internship search or job search. As a student, you spend months to learn a skill, years to learn different subjects and score good marks. But at the time of your own important presentation in terms of proof of work, proof of knowledge, in terms of resume, you drag things to the last moment. That's where this whole course comes into picture. This course covers everything. I have divided this course into multiple sections. First, we start our journey with profile building that focuses on proof of work and proof of knowledge. We work with GitHub, we work with LinkedIn, Twitter, freelancing platform, and blogging. So there are a few other topics that we are going to cover throughout this whole section. We then focuses on resume building, one of the most important sections throughout the journey. Resume not only help you to present yourself, but also help you to present all the proof of knowledge as well as proof of work that you did. Now this contains about your projects, this contains about your experience and everything else. We understand about each and every section, we understand about different templates, we build our own template, we work on a checklist as well as with few template builder. This covers everything, you don't need anything else after this. Once that is done, we also understand about how to apply and where to apply for internship as well as job as a fresher. We understand about different platforms as well as all the filters you require to search the right internship. We focus on internships that are based in India as well as remote internships that are available for worldwide students. So you get access to entire resources, where to apply as well as how to apply. Not only this, we are going to cover every single question that you are going to have throughout the journey. Should I join unpaid internship? Should I add photo on my resume? Or should I create 2-page resume? Every single doubt will be solved in this complete guide. You get access to multiple checklists, you get access to all the different profile example that you need to build and every single website, every single tool that we are going to use. It's a complete guide that will discuss about every single stage in detail. The complete guide has been utilized by hundreds of students in the past and now they are working as a fresher or as an intern into multiple big MNCs as well as startup. That means the complete guide is already tried and tested in terms of resources, in terms of link, in terms of tools as well. One big disclaimer before you enroll into this course. This course is not going to change your fate in terms of skill. We focus more on presentation. Presentation in the form of how to connect with different people, presentation in the form of your profiles, presentation in the form of your resume and everything else. Make sure you build your skill first. You can learn skill through books, you can learn skill through college, you can learn skill through any paid course, my course, anyone else course. You can learn skill through documentation as well as through YouTube. First learn skill and then enroll into this course. This course will help you to understand how to search your internship, how to present yourself during applying. So focus more on skill first and then in this course. If you already have skill, then this is the right course for you. We understand about everything else. So ready to start your journey with internship search? Enroll into this course now and I'm really excited to see you inside. Enroll now and let's start your journey with Internship Search Essential today. Okay, wait, you can access this course for free if you are enrolled into Unlimited Access Plan, or I should say Unwired Learning Pro. If you are enrolled into that, you get access to this course as well as all the other courses that I have produced or I will produce in future. You get access to all the content at one price. Make sure to check out the Unwired Learning Pro, or I should say Unlimited Access Plan. Get access to all my courses along with question answer support, certificate and all the other things. So make sure to check out Unlimited Access Plan, check out all the curriculum roadmap for future as well as all the courses that I have already published. And you can utilize the coupon code LEARN20 to get 20% off. Thank you for following, and I see you guys inside the course.